with Greg.
Oh.
Yeah.
There he is. And Papa.
Darius is a good watercolor artist.
Yeah, and Papa.
And Papa is too. Huh, I've never seen your Papa do watercolors.
Papa's good. Papa's doing really good.
He's a good artist.
Yeah.
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 Papa's
This
good
is
at all
like
kinds of things.
Your home for this. Two. It's getting very colory.
It's getting very colory.
Yeah. Looks very painty.